Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete your purchase history in Google Play Store. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write comments. So, let's get down to our topic. First of all, friends, please open the Google Play Store app on your Android. Next, in order to view your purchase history at all, you'll need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Budget and History. And this way, friends, you will be able to see absolutely all your purchase history in Google Play Store. But in order to delete it, you'll have to go back to your profile picture and then select Manage your Google account. Then select Data and Privacy here. And in Data and Privacy, you'll need to scroll almost to the bottom. And here you will need to find this option Delete Google Service Data. Open it up, please. Wait for it to load and then select which data you would like to delete. In order to delete them, you will just need to click on the trash can sign opposite. And in this way, you will delete your Google Play Store purchase history data. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.